है, बीसी हिंदूज को उनका हक दिया जाएगा और बीसी मुस्लिम्स जो हैं, जो बैकवर्ड क्लास है, उनको भी दिया जाएगा। अब एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ये बात करती है कि मुसलमान को रिलीजन के बेसिस पे नहीं दिया जा सकता, तो मैं ये कहना चाह रहा हूं कि रिलीजन के बेसिस पे देने का कोई भी मुतालबा नहीं कर रहा है, सिर्फ बैकवर्डनेस की बुनियाद पे वो सोशली, एजुकेशनली और पॉलिटिकली जो बैकवर्ड है उनको देने के लिए हम ये मुतालबा कर रहे हैं। तो इसलिए मैं थोड़े से इसकी तफसील में जा रहा था। अगर आप नहीं चाहते हैं तो मैं नहीं बोलूंगा, क्योंकि मैं ये चाह रहा हूं कि हम अगर ये बात को साफ करें, क्योंकि बाज लोग ऐसे हैं सर, दे आर few people who are trying to divide this nation, sir, on religion basis, who are trying to divide the people's heart and minds and thoughts, and they are trying to do politics on religion, sir. So that is why I thought it is better that I just elaborate few more things so that we can defeat those people who are trying to divide this nation on the basis of religion and creating hate and hate and hate and only hate. सिर्फ नफरत नफरत नफरत। अभी हम सुबह में भी देखे कि किस तरीके से नाम के साथ से नफरत की जा रही थी। सर ये क्या हमको नाम की फिक्र नहीं है, काम की फिक्र करनी चाहिए। लेकिन बाज ऐसे लोग हैं कि जो नाम की पॉलिटिक्स के जरिए काम की पॉलिटिक्स को भुलाना चाहते हैं। तो इसलिए मैं ये सारी तफसील बता रहा था कि कैसे उस्मानिया का नाम बदल दीजिए। सर उस्मानिया का क्या है सर, टुडे वी आर सिटिंग इन दिस हाउस, ये असेंबली भी जो बोल रहे हैं उनका नाम बदलो, ये हाउस भी वही निजाम बनाए सो है, निजाम शुगर फैक्ट्री, सर सिरपुर कागज नगर, निजाम सागर, नागार्जुना सागर का सर्वे भी निजामिच करवाए। चाइना से वॉर हुआ तो गोल्ड टनों में लारी भर के देने वाले निजाम, राज प्रमुख निजाम। मगर ये नफरत जो करते हैं ना सर, वी हैव टू डिफीट दिस पीपल who are dividing this nation, I would say, sir. That is why I was going in, sir. Reservation I will just conclude it, छोटा कर देता हूं साहब, तफसील में नहीं जाता हूं। मैं मिनिस्टर साहब का एहतराम करता हूं, उनकी दरखास्त का भी एहतराम करते हुए सर, रिजर्वेशन इन लोकल बॉडीज के लिए भी मैं यही बात कहूंगा सर कि the Congress has committed to raise the reservation in the local bodies to 42% for the BCs, 18% for SCs and 12% for STs according to its BC and SC declaration, sir. The existing declaration for SCs and STs in local bodies, sir, I am sure the rising the BC reservation to 42 in the local bodies may not be a big deal at all, since the provisions are made in Telangana Panchayat Raj Act 2018 for earmarking 34% of reservation for BCs in Gram Panchayat, MPTC and ZPTC and Mandal Praja Parishad and Zilla Parishad, apart from reservation for SCs and STs, sir. Sir, also, sir, as per the GHMC Act, also 1/3 reservation are provided for BCs, sir. Sir, I welcome the decision of the government to raise the quantum of reservation for BCs in all local bodies, Panchayat Raj and urban local bodies. 42% in the proportion of BCs to total population has been assessed by 56.33% as per the caste survey, sir. This is the only way to do justice to BCs and empower them politically in the real sense, sir. Sir, at the same time, sir, while constituting the dedicated commission in November 2024, the government has directed the commission to make its recommendation by following the triple test prescribed by the Supreme Court of India as per prerequisite of provisioning reservation in favor of BCs, OBCs, local bodies election, while in order in Vikas Krishan Rao Gawali versus Maharashtra and other writ petition number 980 and 2019 dated 4/3, sir, 2021, read by D. Krishna Kumar and others, sir. The third condition in the triple test specifies that such reservation shall not exceed aggregate of 50% of the total seats reserved in the favor of SC, ST, OBC, and together. This directive to the dedicated commission was preposterous, self-contradictory, and uncalled for asserted reasons, sir. This is why I'm once again repeating this, sir. So the reservation for BCs in other states, sir, I just need a little bit of time. इस वजह से sir, earlier I had said that a few people are trying to divide and create the hate between two communities and do their politics on religion, sir, by making two communities fight and creating a hatred. That is why I want to give some little bit of history, sir. Sir, out of the 36 states of union territories in the country, As many as 29 are currently implementing the reservation for backward classes, other backward classes, BC, OBC categories. Sir. The quantum of reservation for BC, OBC ranges from 2% to 50% in different states and union territories. Sir. So the Tamil Nadu tops the list with 50% reservation for BC among 29 states and union territories. Sir. The next are Kerala and Sikkim with 40% reservation for each for BC OBCs, followed by Andaman Islands 38%, Puducherry 34, Bihar 33, Karnataka and Maharashtra 32, each Andhra Pradesh and Telangana 29 each, Assam, Goa, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Dadra and Delhi 27, each Haryana 23, Rajasthan 21, Himachal 20%, Manipur, West Bengal 17, each Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Uttarakhand 14% each, Punjab 12%, Odisha 11, Tripura 2, 7 states of Union Territory, namely Arunachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Lakshadweep, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Nagaland do not provide any reservation for BCs, OBC as they have no population of these sections, sir. Thus, the hike in BC reservation to 42% in Telangana compares favorably with 50% in Tamil Nadu and 40% in Kerala and 38% in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, sir. States with 50% reservation for SC, STs and BC together are, as per the current status, sir, the reservation in different states, as many as dozen state and union territories have already crossed.